What's going on, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Now we're going to do something very important for building professional dashboards. We're going to create a KPI table manually. So far, we've been working with imported data, but sometimes you need to create your own table, and Power BI allows you to do that easily. Go to the top menu, Home, Enter Data. Click it. A new window will open. This is where you can create a table manually. We don't need to create any columns, just rename the table to KPI at the bottom. Click Load, and just like that, your new table appears in the field panel. Why this is useful? KPI tables are often used to control what you display in dashboards, create dynamic visuals, build slicers, and organize metrics. This is very common techniques in real projects. This table is not connected to other tables, and that's normal. It's used as a support table, but it's a powerful step toward building dynamic dashboards. In the next lesson, we'll use this KPI table to create interactive visuals. Now your project is getting smarter. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.